What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Prospector D. How's everyone doing out there today? I'm doing absolutely fantastic. I hope you are doing fantastic as well. So we are at a friend's claim, and we've been helping them out the past few days and rescuing them and helping them out and doing what we need to do. And so we're out here, we're at camp, we're chilling. I got my girl. Life is good. And we got gold, guys. There is so much gold on this claim. It's unbelievable. It's right up the street from my buddy's claim, which has unbelievable gold. So the fact that, you know, it's right downriver from there is pretty awesome. So I know there's gonna be good gold here. McKenna has been finding incredible pieces of quartz. The biggest pieces of quartz I've ever seen on this claim or anywhere in this general area. And so we got a pan right here. We've been digging a hole, doing some testing. Absolutely gorgeous material. Check it out. So we got this beautiful moss. Bedrock is right over there. All of this right here, how do you see, is bedrock. And eventually what I would love to do is I'd love to come over here where this V is right here, and I'd love to punch into that and check all that out. I was over on the side of the river over there. You can actually see where I dug earlier, just doing a test right there. I only got one speck out of it, but that's all right. I've been getting 10 to 15 over here, which is really nice. I got a little bit of concentrate right there. We got slew set, just in case. But we're gonna do this pan and see what we get. Just got myself a brand new little baby shovel too. Absolutely love these things. Makes prospecting a lot easier. But yeah, guys, check this claim out. It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful doesn't even describe it. Stunning. Drop dead gorgeous. Oh. Just like that, go right there. She's checking out all the cool rocks. But yeah, guys, we're gonna do this pan and see what we get, so hold up. But yeah, guys, this is literally what I want to do for the rest of my life. Just come out here, dig in the dirt, find the epic gold, and just live in peace and harmony with nature. It's literally incredible, guys. This is literally all I want to do. So, let me live my life. Let me be at peace. I don't need drama. I don't need BS. I need this. Alright? This is all I need. Dirt and gold and nature. But yeah, guys, it's getting late, unfortunately. We've been finding a little bit, but I found some really nice specks in this hole right here, so probably going to continue that at some point. But for right now, guys, like I said, all I want to do is prospect for gold and weld. So that's literally all I want to do for the rest of my life. So if we can stop drama, if we can stop all the BS, and just let me do my thing, that would be epic. Because out here I feel the most alive, and it's just pure therapy for me. So with that being said, guys, we got concentrates to go through at some point. But I gotta get some sleep and some dinner in me. I'm starving. But have a great night, guys. At some point, I will see you guys soon. Alright, guys, so the prospecting was fun today, but Now it is time to go hunt for some bones. Dun dun dun. So yeah, me and my buddy are gonna go out and we're gonna see if we can go find some bones. And yeah, so come along for the ride. Yeah, guys, we are out here. Oop. There we go. We are out here. We are climbing the side of a mountain right now that is pretty freaking badass. Woo! It is steep. It is steep. But what's really crazy is that this whole hillside is covered in this quartzite. This conglomerate quartz stuff, that's this stuff right here. It's just covered in this stuff, and it's iron and quartz, and it's just gorgeous material. But it's just covered in it. I got a huge specimen earlier. Whoo hoo hoo! This is exciting stuff.
I think it was up here, actually.
Up here? Oh, okay. Woo! Oh, guys, I am slippy sliding, and the road is, there's camp.
Yep, right here.
Oh, we got bones! We got bones! We got stuff. We got stuff. We got stuff. We got. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I uncovered all these rocks in here.
Yeah.
But if you look in this hole, all I was doing was digging with the machete. And just like this. And where's it go? Right here. There's a whole worth of skeleton and bones and stuff.
Oh, no way. Whoa.
I mean, look at the size of these rocks. I mean, that's not an animal putting that in there.
No, God, no.
And like how perfectly flat and square they are.
Yeah. What the hell? Look at that.
But I didn't bring my black light last time. I have it now, so I'm gonna shut this off. See.
Oh, yours is a lot better than mine.
It's just brighter. It's got a little bit more power. Same wavelength. There's even mushrooms in there, but look at, there's more bones than I saw the last time.
Oh, what? No way, dude. What?
Yeah,
when go back.
When I uncovered it originally, it was perfectly dry, like loose soil, like you just got it out of a potting bag.
You think it's an animal of some sort?
I don't know if it's an animal or
here
or not. I didn't really want to find out when I was up here by myself.
Oh, fair enough. Well, hold on a second. Can you hold this?
Yep.
And I'm gonna use the K-bar. I need a light over here. Fuck it. If anybody knows what the kind of bone this is, let me know in the comments below. Obviously, it's hollow. We got some more. Oh. Okay. Yeah, here we go, guys. There's I think that's a tail.
I don't know, it's a vertebrate of some kind of thing.
Yeah, and it's definitely too small to be a human. I think.
Small human.
True.
Yeah, there's more in there. We just need to get a
here
bar or something to
here. Let's excavate some of this. Yeah. Keep where are those bones at? That I just had over here.
Sounded like they fell back that way.
Yeah, I think they might have. Oh, no. It's alright.
Oh, right here.
Oh, there they are. Okay. Let's make sure that we
put them
keep
up right here in that.
Yeah,
that mark.
got it right there. Right there is perfect. All right, cool. So now, let me see this rock real quick. Beautiful piece. Oh my god. Wow. Fucking.
Yeah, that one. I moved that one from right there.
Yeah. Let me do my thing. Let me do what I do best.
Or the camera, I mean?
Huh? Yeah, sure, if you want. Yeah, you need the light in the camera? Yeah. Yeah, that would be good for the channel. Okay, yeah, so that's covering that. That's on that. Oh, yeah. Oop. Oh, I got a little movement. That's all I need. Just a little movement.
Look for other bones too.
True. I should have brought my pick. We got root. We got a giant root right here. We got some really dark soil. Really dark. That's odd. Oh yeah. Oh man, if I had a pry bar or something. I'm not gonna use the blade because that'll break it. It's got too much weight on it. Oh. Movement. Yeah.
Don't roll that down. Let's look at it and see if there's any hand chisel marks. And
whew.
What was that? That was scary. I think that was taken out of one of the tunnels. Ooh, look at there's. I saw some glitter in that pocket.
Yeah, there's definitely some quartz in there. Definitely a piece of this mountain for sure.
See, to me, that's pretty 90 degrees.
It's got a good angle to it, yeah. Definitely a good angle. That's a nice piece. Alright.
Back to the hole.
What's going on in the hole? Ooh.
Maybe use this to dig around a little bit.
Yeah. Ow, ow, ow.
You right?
Yeah, knee.
See if there's anything on the black light.
Yeah. We got some moss right there.
More bones in there. Pine cone.
Pine cone.
That's a bone.
There's a bone right there, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's another one, guys.
Put that on the pile.
Yeah.
Back to the black light. Is that a bone? Oh no.
There's a bone. Nope, that's just a stick. Yeah, I need that light. Definitely need that light better. Yeah, save the black light for mushroom hunting. That's just rock. Yeah.
That sounded hollow right through there. Is that bone or root?
This is just rock.
No, it sounded
Right in here.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's just, yeah. It's all loose.
Yeah. Well, this is a lot like what I saw on the other side of the claim.
There's another bone.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what the heck are those? I don't know.
I do not know. That is odd.
How many are we up to now? 4?
Let's see. We're up to. Oh God. One, two, yeah, 4. Got the 4 bones, and they're all 3 of them are the same. Here. take on that. I'm gonna start digging in this area. I wonder if it's just a small game that somebody or that something ate and then just ate in this little nook.
See, I thought that, but when I first discovered this little hole, like, it was only big enough for basically that machete or somebody's hand to reach in. And it was hollowed out, but the opening was like right here.
Okay.
And that's why I moved that other rock, and then you moved the other one, the big one, because the other one was sitting right here.
Right.
So it was like it was placed there.
Interesting.
And then it had like a sheet of moss over it, which obviously you could tell I peeled back over here. It's dead now, but...
Right. Yeah, I'm pulling up nothing but rock now. Rock and soil. Yeah, it's nothing but rock. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, nothing but rock and soil.
There's stuff behind this.
Oh, yeah?
Unless it's a owl or something.
No, most likely.
Heck yeah, dude.
That's fucking cool, man. No shit.
At least we got it on film.
Yeah.
And we can research the bone shapes. And
yeah, and other people can, you know, if there's a bone expert out there, you know, let us know, you know, here, what kind of bones these are. I mean, to me, they're small game. But yeah, three of the same kind. And they're old too. They're definitely old. And then one vertebrae looking piece. Very strange.
That's just what got left here. Ain't no telling.
Yeah.
Where the rest of it is, if it might be deeper or in a different spot.
True.
It's wet now because I uncovered it, but when I first uncovered it, this was so dry you could have slept on it.
Aye.
And I think it was because it was a thick layer of moss. I mean, that moss must have been 2.5 to 3 inches thick, covering it like a blanket.
Oh, okay.
And you could see the dead part of it where I peeled it back. But it was nice and lush and thick. Protecting it. So
Interesting.
It's been there a while.
Interesting.
But this whole area is a kind of a flat area, so who knows what it was back in the 1800s when they were mining this area.
That's true. That's true.
I'll throw that back in the
Yeah.
hole.
Yeah, for sure. You want to put the bones back in?
You get a good video of them.
Oh yeah, I got them on.
Still pictures of them too, and then.
Yeah, it was a good idea. Next day, we'd be chilling, we'd be cooking, we'd be making tacos. Yeah. Got the refried beans.
On the campfire.
We got the meats. Oh yeah, it's the nom noms. We got the nom noms going on here, and that's our view. Look at that. Can't get any better than that. What did you call it? The cooking out here.
Campfire Cafe.
Yeah, the Campfire Cafe. There we go. Welcome to the Campfire Cafe, guys.
Campfire Cafe.
We're gonna have a nice, beautifully cooked meal and have a beautiful view. Campfire Cafe. Gotta love it. Oh, look at that. Yeah. That nom noms. I cut up a bunch of wood today. I got a little bit of wood there. Got a few logs. My girl picked out these awesome rocks. Look at this one. My girl's got an eye for rocks, and I absolutely love it. Quartz likes her, and I like quartz, so... because quartz means gold, so... I know these are not all quartz, guys, but still, they're all really interesting rocks. Like this one has agate all throughout it. Like, it's just all agate. It's super cool. And this piece right here is beautifully mineralized with some beautiful iron staining. Absolutely gorgeous. Speaking of her, there she is now. Damn, you looking good, girl. Oh, yeah, guys. Life out on the camp. Love it. This is what I live for. This is what I love doing. This is what I want to do the rest of my life. Is weld and do this. So, yeah, that's what we're trying to work on. Hi. Ah. But yeah, guys. Life is great. Loving it. I mean, just look at this. There's prospecting right down there, and there's gold there. It's not bad. My buddy's claim is right upriver. He's got a spot where it's like 1/4 gram for 4 buckets or 2 buckets. It's absolutely insane over there. Yeah. This is what I want to do. This is what I do, and this is what I love doing. So. We're gonna eat some tacos, and we're gonna enjoy life. So, let's get it. Nom 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 noms. The trick is the. Oop. Onward we go, for to fill the holes. Oh, that's a good one right there, yeah. Yeah, there's 2 good ones right there. Alright guys, so what we're doing right now is we are filling in some of these potholes because I like taking care of the road too. So yeah, we're just filling in these holes and trying to make the road a little bit better, a little bit safer for everybody. Because I care about the mines and the Mine Owners Association and the people that drive up and down this road, because I do it all the time. So, but I need 2 hands for this, guys, so we're filling in potholes with our favorite tool, the shovel. Woohoo! Yeah. Yeah, guys, but we're just driving down the road But yeah, guys, we're just driving down the road here. Shovel in hand. Loving it. Just filling in the potholes because, you know, we drive down these roads all the time and no one else is going to maintain them. Might as well maintain them ourselves. For the most part, this road's pretty good. Yeah, guys, that's just one of the things that I do out here is I try to maintain the roads. Whenever there's a fallen tree, we pick it up and we cut it up and we get it moved so that everybody can travel these roads safely. Here we are, next spot. All right, filled in and filled in. Heck yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, you had plenty of material to fill that one in. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gorgeous. This is a very unique way to view all this. Oh wow. Duckies! Duckies! Ducky wuckies! Quack, 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 a smack! Yeah. I can definitely say that this is the first for the channel. Riding on top of a car. My girl in the seat, in the driving, I trust her 100%. So this is definitely a unique way to view this road and view this area. Oh yeah, trust exercise for sure. Hell yeah. My butt's getting warm and I love it. My own personal butt heater. I love it.
You know my car has heated seats, right?
Well, what the deuce? All right, well, new days, new experiences, and this is very odd. I had no idea there was actually here, because this is the road up to Little Red, and I've driven this road countless times, and I've never seen this little sign right here. Look at this. Martin/Sharps Creek's Trailhead number 1416. That's cool. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's so pretty.
It's so much warmer up here, too.
There's what?
It's so much warmer up here, too.
Oh yeah, it definitely is a lot warmer.
Warmer? Yeah.
So right now, what we're doing is we're mushroom hunting. And we're also trying to find an old log cabin, apparently, that might be here. And I've never heard of it until yesterday. Look at these, look at these. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow. Hey, a little bug in there too. Wow. Yeah, I never knew this was here. Whoa, look at you. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Whoa, you're good fish bait. Nom, 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 nom. Good eatings.
Yeah, you're fishing for fucking bass.
Yeah, always. Always fishing for bass.
Fuck that.
And the first score of the day goes to the lovely McKenna, who finds
Liberty caps.
Liberty caps. Because Liberty.
Ooh, there's only two on that branch that you just stepped on.
Oh, look at that right there.
Look at the ones under your feet. On the branch. Right next to your foot.
Oh, whoa. Look at those little guys. Oh, man, they're itty biddles.
I'm pretty sure those are non-edible.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Technically these aren't either, but...
Yeah, first score of the day.
Whee!
Heck yeah. Here, shroomies, shroomies, shroomies. Here, shroomies, shroomies, shroomies. It looks like the path goes all the way up there. That's freaking cool. I had no idea this was back here. Oh, look at this tree. Wow. Wow, man, that's cool. There's a big old tree. Hello. We got beautiful flowers here too. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm in my happy place. Looking for the mushies. Looking for the mushrooms. I found one. McKenna's beat me by what, 5?
Something like that.
It's 5-1. McKenna winning. Apparently, this is hemlock right here. And then that right there, guys, is nightshade. 2 very, very poisonous plants. Very cool. Very cool. What do you got? Ooh. Interesting. Very interesting. Interesting. Huge trees out here, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's beautiful. Check that one out, guys. Very phallic shaped. That's exciting. But yeah, if anyone knows what kind of mushroom that is, put it down in the comments below.
Oops.
Because we have no idea.
I just spilled Red Bull all over myself.
Oh, silly girl. That's cool. Oh, here's another one. Yeah, I got one. I got one right here. Oh no. Very cool. Found Gary the snail. He's in there, he's alive, but look at that shell, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Pour salt on him.
You're mean! Don't hurt the snail. He's just trying to live his best life, man. Oh, there's one. Oh, yeah, look at that bad boy. Huzzah for phallic-shaped mushrooms. Oh, let's see. Yeah, guys, I had no idea this was out here. I've passed this area countless times. Never even saw it once. Had no idea. So this is very new to me. This is very cool. And this is the Carolina Placer Claim #1. And while we were driving up, I actually got to see how big this claim is. It reaches all the way from the bridge, practically a mile or so down, or maybe half a mile, maybe more, down river there. It's beautiful claim. I wish I knew the owners, because I'd love to be able to prospect it. Absolutely stunning area. Alright guys, so the bag is slightly filling up. We just found this beautiful, beautiful Liberty Cap. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Yeah guys, look at this area. Absolutely phenomenal. Just wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, so at peace in here. It's so beautiful. And here we see a wild mushroom hunter in its natural habitat, peering through the leafy greens to find the shrooms. We have found many, many mushrooms. Look at all that. Oh yeah. Man. Sorry. Come on guys. There we go. And tons of Liberty Caps. Super cool. Very cool.
Hey, do you have any night vision, Demas?
No.
Do you know anybody who can borrow some from?
Nope. Unfortunately not. We'll be back.
All right.
We're good.